Samsung is rumored to be unveiling the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7 in early July, and they might be joined by the Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE, sometimes referred to as just the Flip FE. Today a new leak brings us the Flip 7 FE specs along with its projected pricing. So, the phone is said to come with a 6.7-inch internal folding screen of the LTPO Super AMOLED 2X variety, with a 120Hz refresh rate. The cover display is identical to that of the Galaxy Z Flip 6, measuring 3.4-inch diagonally. The Flip 7 FE is allegedly powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC, paired with 12 GB of RAM. Camera-wise, we're getting a 50MP main shooter and a 12MP ultra-wide, along with a 10MP selfie snapper. All three cameras will support 4K 60 recording. Keeping the lights on will be a 4000 mAh battery with support for 25W wired and 15W wireless charging. The phone has an IP48 certification for dust and water resistance. The Flip 7 FE will be sold for under €1,000. If all of these specs seem familiar, it's because they are identical to those of the Flip 6 released last year. So, if this rumor is accurate, it feels like the Flip 7 FE will just be a Flip 6 under a different name, which is a baffling strategy on Samsung's part. We have to assume that the Flip 6 itself will be discontinued, otherwise with all the offers available for it already it will obviously be the better buy compared to the Flip 7 FE, unless you really need the extra year of software support that the new device will be getting.